You will love the features of this 2022 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 has what it takes to get the big jobs done right. It's infused with heavy-duty capability, connected, convenient, comfortable, and built to last. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, bed liner, four-wheel drive, keyless start, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, chrome wheels, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.